Hello there folks, and welcome along to Wolverton Railway Station. And kicking us off, we see the departure of 350-371 and 350-377 with the 1212 London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston through to Birmingham New Street via Northampton. Next to fly around the corner 17 minutes late is 805013 and 805012, working 1 Alpha 26 from Holyhead through to London Euston. Also flying around the corner for Avanti West Coast is 807008, working 1 Foxtrot 20 from London Euston through to Liverpool Lime Street. As 390040 passes through on an unknown working, heading for London Euston, we see 390127 passing the background. Running 12 minutes late with 9065 from London Euston through to Glasgow Central, going via Birmingham New Street. Quickly pass on his heels, running 25 minutes late, is 390-134, working 1 Sierra 58 from London Euston through to Glasgow Central. Passing fast in the opposite direction is 807009, working 1 Alpha 28 for Avanti West Coast from Liverpool Lime Street through to London Euston. Passing through 6 minutes late for London Northwestern Railway is 350-232 and 350-259, working 1 U33 from London Euston through to Crewe. Arriving next into the station is 350-119 and 350-113 with the 1230 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street through to London Euston. Next to fly through the station for Avanti West Coast is 805001, working 1 Delta 86 from London Euston through to Chester. Next to fly southbound for Avanti West Coast is 390-137, working 1 Bravo 38 from Birmingham New Street through to London Euston. Don't worry, I've just got my hand through the rail, I'm not trespassing. It's 390-001, working 1 Alpha 29 from Manchester Piccadilly through to London Euston. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 350-101 and 350-257, working the 1242 London Northwestern Railway service of London Euston through to Birmingham New Street, going via Northampton. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.